yeah, it has to be something that you're passionate about. Like, I developed a passion for finance. You know, I see myself doing it in the long run. So you have to see yourself doing it in the long run in order for you to actually happy for the rest of your life doing what you do best. This is what I do for a living. My reputation is very important to me. And yeah, this is how I earn my living. This is how I earn my income. This is how I have everything that I have.
Welcome to Mercedes Airlines.
Like 7 days a week, cause there ain't no resting. And you tied down as long as you still renting. And I don't know who told you that the market's gonna crash. Don't be living in the past, make a move, do it fast. Get a home with a view and a yard and some grass. Next spot gonna be better than your last.
Hey guys, welcome to the day in the life of me on a Saturday. So I'm going to the office real quick to working on a few stuff. I just have a few documents. I have a signature that I need to get from a client. She's gonna be in my area, so I'm gonna go waiting for her at the office. And also I'm heading to Whole Foods because I purchased some stuff from Amazon and I did not like.
I'm a realtor, baby, and you know these high rates got me.
This is a day in my life as a realtor. Hey guys, so today I'm taking you with me to the cutest little city, Eustis, Florida. It's honestly giving modern living with like the most charming small town feel, and there's so much nature. So first things first, starting my day with my Neuro Energy caffeine mints because obviously I need that boost. They help me stay super focused like all day long. We're heading into this gorgeous new Lennar Homes community and I'm obsessed. If you're looking for something cozy, convenient, and totally peaceful, this is it. You're literally just minutes from downtown Eustis. Shops, cute cafes, the whole vibe. And if you love the outdoors, you're super close to Pine Meadows Conservation Area, so like kayaking, trails, and all the relaxing nature stuff. Come tour the model homes with me and get a peek at what my day looks like while helping amazing clients find their dream homes. If you want to learn more or come check it out with me, just reach out. I'd love to help you.
As a Capricorn, it's because that we love to read instructions. Lots of things in life, you guys, comes with instructions. So if you are passionate about something and you really wanna achieve it, there's nothing can stop you. So I always tell the young generations, the Gen Zs, that if you're passionate about it, it's something that you wanna do, always try to earn an income around the area or around the field or the career that you want to pursuing. And as you self-taught that particular area, then you will know then if it's the best thing for you, and then you can pursuing by furthering your education into actually mastering that particular area. That way you can earn an income doing what you love to do, and you'll be happy in life. And that's what I did. And I mastered what I love, and I'm enjoying myself. I am earning an income doing what I love to do. So life never get boring for me. My sister always tell me that, Christy, you are not a content creator. I just happen to feel myself while I'm doing what I do for a living. So it's not content creating. So I'm like the real life influencer, because I do what I do and I do it best. And guess what? And I feel myself to show you guys you can do it. So this is a little bit of my Saturday doing what I love. So let's shut up the rumors, you guys. Something that I get a lot. What do I do for a living? Nothing, you guys, nothing. I have a sugar daddy. You wanna know his name? President Trump. Just kidding, you guys. So I am a realtor. I am a real estate agent. I am also an insurance broker. So I own my own agency. Alongside my sister, we have an agency together, and my team and I, we've been very active. When I mean active, not only I get to run an agency, I'm also on the handling day-to-day activity as well. So I'm in the field, but the way it works is that some of the day I can be in the office. If I have to see client, I'll schedule appointments when I need to see client in the office, and then I'm also in the field. So let's say I have a property to show, I have a listing appointment, all the consultations are done in my office. And for those of you that wants to come to my office for life insurance, health insurance, the whole 9-yard tax, I am in the office. And also I can be in the field as well if I'm doing a listing property and I'm showing a property. And also for the retirees that they are not able to come to my office, these people, I will definitely go see them at home or at a public place like a Starbucks or a Panera Bread or something. And yeah, so I do handle the activities. But the only thing about me, you guys, you should know is that whether I'm on vacation or not, as long as I have my computer, I'm still handling my business, because 80% of my business is done virtually. It's over the phone or on my laptop. So I'm always working. Like, I don't need to see anyone if I don't have to, especially the young generations a lot. I'll say 90% of the appointments that I have, everything is done virtual over the phone. So I don't have to see the client 90% of the time. So again, like I said, as long as I have my laptop, I am making money. I cannot stress this enough for the young generation. I want you guys to focus on finance investment. It's very important. Generational wealth is real, you guys. Compound of interest is real. Educate yourself about financial literacy, you guys. I cannot stress this enough. There's so many young generations that do not believe in investing. Once you will believe, it will be too late. So it's great to have life insurance and invest on yourself, you guys. That's how you're gonna have a beautiful future. I cannot stress this enough, you guys. If you need more information about that, make sure you hit me up or DM me. For them in life, you guys, you just have to read instructions. Lots of things comes with instructions. There's a lot of things, a lot of skill set that I learn without having to go to school for them. By the time I get my license to do finance, I develop a passion for finance. There's a lot of things you can literally, if you love it, you can literally learn it and work, making money, earning an income while doing it. And then you turn it into a career where you can literally make a living out of it. So that's what I did. I am trying to put a lot more effort to put as much content out there, you guys. As busy as I am as a realtor / insurance broker, I'm running an agency and I also do content on social media. It's a bit challenging. I'm doing my best to make sure that I fulfill my promises. I hate promising something and not doing it.
Have you or someone you know been denied life insurance? Don't worry. At Sincere Financial, we specialize in helping thousands secure the best insurance coverage, no matter their health issues. If you're 85 years old or younger, we can help you find the right plan. Call us today and get the coverage you deserve.
I posted a photo on my history. You guys said you guys like my outfit. This is Fashion Nova. I will be doing a Fashion Nova try on haul with all the new outfit they sent me lately.
Step into sophistication and make a statement with the Julia Vest pant set from Fashion Nova, the ultimate blend of chic and sleek. Enjoy a flattering fit with stretch for all-day comfort, whether you're at work or out on the town. Elevate your style and boss up your wardrobe for any occasion. Shop now at fashionnova.com.
I beg you don't embarrass me, little sucker.
Guys, make sure you stay tuned. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more video like that. Now, let's go. Let's talk annuities versus real estate. This is the number one questions I get. I'm Christella, your local realtor and your financial professional. Let's get into it, you guys. Real estate can give you monthly income, tax benefit, long-term growth, but let's be real. It also comes with tenants, repairs, and market ups and downs. On the other hand, annuities are much more low-key. Well, you get guaranteed income for life no matter what the market does. No headaches, no surprises. So, which one is better, you may ask? Well, the truth is, using both is the smartest move no matter what. Real estate grows your money and annuity protects it. Well, DM me wealth to get started. I help people from anywhere build a wealth, even if it's through real estate or annuities. I help you protect your assets no matter what. So DM me wealth to get started. Like an example, you guys, I started my career in finance 3 years before getting my license. I know what you're gonna say. I've been working in finance and the financial industry for about 3 years. I'll say 3 years and a few months. And it had to be something that I'm really passionate about. It has to be something that you really love and like. And I fell in love with finance, you guys. Financial literacy, investment, retirement investment, real estate, buying properties, flipping properties, cash flowing while I have tenants paying those bills. And like I said, I've been in that industry for at least 3 years before I realized, you know what, this is something that I see myself doing. Then I end up getting my license. I end up went to school for it. So like I always say, everything in life, if you don't love what you do, you're not passionate about it, you're gonna be miserable for a long time. So I always say, try to make sure that whatever that makes you happy, you give it a try. And whatever that is that makes you happy, if you're able to make money while doing it, you will be happy for the rest of your life. Like even creating is a normal life for me. I don't pretend. Those content creators, on the other hand, not to talk about a lot of people, a lot of the content creator, it's not their life, it's not their daily living. As a realtor, / insurance broker. This is my daily living. Whenever I feel myself in the office, I'm just happen to be working and have the camera there while I'm doing my thing. I don't have to pretend. So in life, you gotta love what you do. I'm not a content creator like I like to call, because you're living the life. This is what you do. That's how I earn a living. That's how I'm able to take care of my family. That's how I'm able to take care of my bills. I'm not pretending. This is my life. Hey guys, I just made it home, so this is it for the day. I would like to thank you guys for watching, and if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, comment, share, like, and also don't forget to follow me on IG as well as TikTok at christellasincere. And once again, you guys, you know what, I've been getting a lot of comments. There's a lot of compliments on that outfit. Lots of people wanted to know where I got it from. This is Fashion Nova, you guys. This is a suede fabric and very, very comfortable. So ever since I've been getting the compliment, I love the fabric so much, you guys. I end up I didn't get that set over to me. I purchased 2 different colors, so the top is a lot more longer on the other colors. So I did get an orange. I also get a white one, so I have not received them yet, but in the meantime I do have a lot of free outfits that was sent to me from Fashion Nova. So I'll be doing a Fashion Nova try-on haul, and I know I'm late. It's been delayed since I haven't really been getting the chance to do so, but I will take some time so I can do that Fashion Nova try-on haul. I know they've been waiting, so I don't want to make you guys wait for too long, so I will make sure that I drop that sometimes at the end of next week or in the middle of next week. Okay, so you guys, thank you again for watching, and I will see you guys on my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, share. That way you can be notified whenever I post a video like this. I love y'all.